I love this peanut butter cake with peanut butter frosting because it reminds me of what my grandma used to make. It has that old-fashioned peanut butter cake comfort feel, but with a modern twist that makes the peanut butter flavor really pop. To make this peanut butter cake, start by cracking 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. I find that room temperature eggs blend much better with the sugar and create a smoother batter. Then add 150 grams of sugar. Use an electric mixer to beat them together until the mixture becomes fluffy and pale yellow, as you can see here. This usually takes about 3 minutes at medium to high speed. Next, add 150 grams of melted butter to the egg mixture. Just make sure it is not too hot. Mix again with an electric mixer until everything is completely combined. Next, add 175 grams of flour and then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve the flour through a fine mesh strainer directly into the bowl to prevent any lumps from forming in your batter. This really makes a difference in the final texture of your cake. Gently fold the flour and baking powder into the wet mixture until no dry streaks remain. Try not to overmix. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, then add 50 grams of peanut butter, and mix them together until smooth and well combined. I used creamy peanut butter for this recipe, although my grandma always used the crunchy kind because she liked the little bits of peanuts throughout the cake. Either type works fine. It really just depends on what texture you prefer in your finished cake. Next, add the yogurt and peanut butter mixture to the main bowl with your batter. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give the cake batter a quick stir with a spatula. You do not need to mix it too much, just enough to combine everything. Next, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chocolate sprinkles to the batter. The chocolate sprinkles leave really nice streaks in the cake, as you will see in a minute. When you cut into the finished cake, you get these pretty swirls of chocolate running through the peanut butter batter. I love how they look when you slice the cake. Pour the cake batter into the loaf pan. I use the standard 2-pound loaf pan. This is the regular bread loaf pan that most home bakers have. Make sure to spread it evenly so it bakes up nicely and level. Bake the peanut butter cake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 55 minutes until the cake is golden brown and your kitchen smells amazing. To make the frosting, take 100 grams of white chocolate and add 2 tablespoons of milk and microwave for 30 seconds to melt. Give the melted chocolate a quick mix and pour it into the mixing bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and mix until everything is smooth and creamy. I should have let the cake cool down a bit before pouring the peanut butter frosting over the top, but I was too impatient and some of it ran right off the sides. If you can, wait about 30 minutes after taking it out of the oven so the frosting will stay on better. This peanut butter cake tastes so good. It is not too sweet, and you can really taste the peanut butter in every bite. It is soft and a little moist, kind of like banana bread, but with peanut butter flavor instead. I love how the chocolate sprinkles give you these little sweet spots throughout. They add this hint of chocolate that goes so well with the peanut butter. If you decide to try this peanut butter cake, please let me know how it turned out. If you like this peanut butter cake with peanut butter frosting, you have to try my condensed milk cake next. It is so ridiculously easy that it feels like cheating, but the results are incredibly moist and rich. Perfect when you need a quick dessert that still impresses everyone. Check it out now.